Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks gameplay walkthrough of Call of Duty Mobile on the Honor 9X Lite. We're going to be going through this game and playing a couple of matches to give you an idea of what the performance of the Honor 9X Lite is like on Call of Duty Mobile. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Not only will you get our gameplay videos on devices, but you'll also see unboxings, reviews, first impressions of products, and most importantly, sample videos to see what the camera performance is like on devices. We've already published the unboxing and first impressions, as well as the setup video for the Honor 9X Lite. So please do check that video out to see more. We've also published a couple of comparisons between the Honor 9X Lite and the Honor 20E, as well as the comparison between the Honor 9X Lite and the Nokia 5.3. Now, we've done our comparisons in other videos. This is a real-life example of how the graphics perform on the full high-definition screen on the Honor 9X Lite. And apart from the video, which is nice and clear, it's really good, let's get into an actual game. So I'm going to go for multiplayer. Let's go for this new map called Shipment, a random match, and see how it performs. Alright, we need to download a patch. Now, I'm already connected to a fast Wi-Fi connection. This is the latest update to Call of Duty Mobile, and as you can see, it's downloading that 23.5 megabyte update for the game within the game, but it's taking a while to do so, not because of my internet connection, but because of the Call of Duty servers taking a while. So I'll close that off and let's see if we can start off. There we are, we're now accessing the game lobby. This is Team Deathmatch, which means it's team versus team. Let's see how the performance is on this nice big 6.5 inch Full HD screen. The Kirin 7 series chipset powering the Honor 9X Lite is very capable, though by default the game is now set to graphic quality level low, so there must be some constraints according to the game. Let's see how this goes. I'm not playing a ranked game or anything. This seems to be quite easy as far as matches go in Call of Duty Mobile. There's a lot going on here. And because this is a relatively small map, there's not far to go in terms of shooting, so your accuracy is quite helped by the map layout. So, in this low graphic setting, things seem to be playing very smoothly. Very, very smoothly, in fact. So, with low settings, very playable. So on an, again, £150 smartphone, you get a very good gaming experience here. The graphics aren't super good, but the gameplay is excellent, and responsiveness of the touchscreen is very, very good. I'm pretty noob at this. Oh well, that was a quick game. So that's 40 to 16 for my team. Oh, someone has a Goliath there. So that was a simple, small map game of Team Deathmatch. Oh look, I got MVP of the game. And that was me not only playing the game, but also walking you through how things are. Now, the screen of the Honor 9X Lite is nice and big. As you can see, I've had no problems there. The only issue is that sometimes my index on the right finger goes above the speaker and blocks off the sound. That's obviously not an issue if you're using wireless earbuds or using the Courage port at the bottom, which allows you to connect a 3.5mm audio jack. So that was a quick game of Team Deathmatch on this new map. Let's see if there's another game we can play. Let's try a ranked match where I definitely won't be an MVP. Now I'm going to deselect Search and Destroy. It's not my favourite game, but Hardpoint, Domination and Team Deathmatch are pretty good ones to go with. Now, whilst this loads, it will be a fraction of a second to you. We might have an ads slot here. This is a mid-roll ad, and once we're back we'll see how we perform in a ranked match on another map on Call of Duty Mobile on the Honor 9X Lite. So we'll see you in a few moments. Okay then, so we're playing a game of Domination on the firing range map in Call of Duty Mobile on the Honor 9X Lite. Again, graphic quality has set to default low, probably due to the slightly less capable Kirin chipset. It is capable of running at a higher resolution and frame rate, but gameplay does suffer slightly. Let's see how this goes. Capturing C.
Captured Charlie. Enemy taking A. Careful. Enemy Molotov. You're captured.
So as we said, this is a ranked match. I do not expect to do very well today in this game.
Enemy has Alpha. Enemy taking B.
So a lot of action going on here. Better not go in close to the flames. Yeah, I'm not doing well.
Enemy inside. Capture A. Losing C. Enemy has Bravo. We captured A. Losing A. We're capturing B. Losing Alpha.
Yeah, I got into the circle, but that didn't last long. It is quite tough. But as you can see, gameplay is very smooth with this low graphic setting on the Honor 9X Lite. It's very, very responsive, movements are rapid. So this is a ranked match. I'm obviously not doing great. Let's see if we can approach here from another side and capture A. Bingo. Let's go for B. Oh, we've already got it. Plenty of players waiting there for my arrival. Let's play their game. Even at low graphic setting, this is very, very good, not only from the game, but the Honor 9X Lite screen seems to handle things quite gracefully. The colours are quite punchy, brightness is nice. Yeah, I'm very out of my league here. Some very good, talented players I'm playing against in the ranked mode.
Almost complete. Keep it up. Losing A. We're capturing Bravo. Enemy Shock RC is coming. We lost A. We're capturing A. We're capturing B. It's too close. captured A. Losing C.
Good thing I caught A there.
We've taken the lead. Captured
Take
Alpha.
that bow and arrow out.
Losing Alpha. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Lost Charlie. Capturing Bravo.
There's so much going on here, you never know what happens. And the next thing you know, you're out. My character is injured, but running around. There we go. First round finished. It's almost nothing in it. 75 to 72. And that's usually time spent in between ownership of each checkpoint A, B, and C.
Objectives. Enemy taking Charlie. We're capturing Alpha. Hostile care package inbound. Enemy has C. Enemy shock RC.
Uh-oh. That didn't go too well.
Enemy Molotov.
Let's try again.
Enemy drone in the air. Capturing C.
Oh, it didn't last long.
Losing Alpha. Enemy taking B. We're capturing C.
I'm comedically bad at this game.
Losing A. Enemy has B.
They have all three of them.
Take those positions. We lost A. We tied for the lead. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
That's new, someone with a sword. Yeah, I'm not doing well at all here. Let's see how things work if I start hiding somewhere and not actively trying to go for the checkpoint.
Enemy contact.
Yeah, handgun doesn't really work at that range, or I'm not very good at it. Probably the second. Yeah, that's me not being very good.
We're capturing A. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy shock RC is coming. Captured Alpha. I'm hurt.
Another sword. That was quite painful by the looks of it.
Losing Alpha. We're capturing C. We're losing this fight. We captured C. Lost Alpha.
Is that swordsman again, or swordswoman? Very talented.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Losing C. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
There you go. So that is an example of a ranked game on a larger map than the first one, with the same default settings of graphic quality on the Honor 9X Lite, which is low, but in my opinion actually quite good on this full high definition screen. Gameplay is excellent. Very difficult to notice any lag or any slowness in responses. All that horrendous gameplay from the second game in the ranked category is all down to me being slow and pretty bad at Call of Duty Mobile. So there you go. That was Call of Duty Mobile on the Honor 9X Lite. It performs very well. Graphics are not as good as they could be, but I think when you're playing a video game on a mobile phone, you might want to prioritize gameplay over graphics. If you want everything, you might be best suited to go and get a more expensive smartphone with much more performance in it. So there we go. This is the new version of Call of Duty Mobile with upgrades to weapons and a gunsmith. We won't go into that in too much detail. I'm sure there's plenty of YouTubers who have covered this in a lot of detail. We're just here to see how Call of Duty Mobile was performing on the Honor 9X Lite. So thank you for watching this example of my terrible gameplay on the Honor 9X Lite on Call of Duty Mobile. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you like this video, give us a like. If you would like to be my friend in Call of Duty Mobile, drop us a comment in the section below the YouTube video and I'll see if I can get back to adding you in-game. But for now, thank you for watching and goodbye.